In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload files on Notion. Uploading files in Notion is quick and straightforward once you know where to click. This is useful when you want to keep documents, PDFs, images, or other resources directly inside your workspace, so everything stays organized in one place. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can follow along without any confusion to begin. Open the Notion page where you want the file to appear. Once you are on the correct page, move your cursor over a new line. As you do this, you'll notice a plus icon appear on the left side. That icon lets you add different types of content blocks to the page. You can click that plus icon to open the block menu. Or, if you prefer a faster method, simply click into a blank space on the page and type /file. This shortcut is one of the easiest ways to insert a file block in Notion, especially if you already know what kind of content you want to add. When the menu appears, choose File, and then press Enter. This will insert a file block onto your page and give you the available options for adding your file. At this stage, Notion is basically asking whether you want to upload something directly from your computer or connect a file using a link. If the file is saved on your device, click Upload. This opens your computer's file browser, where you can locate the file you want to add. Select the file, confirm your choice, and Notion will begin uploading it to the page, depending on the file size and your internet speed. This may take a few seconds. Once it's finished, the file will appear right inside your Notion page, making it easy to open or download later. If your file is hosted somewhere else online, you can use the other option instead. Select Embed Link to link to an external file. Then paste in the file's URL so Notion can display or reference it on the page. This is especially helpful if you don't want to store the file directly in Notion or if the file already lives on another platform. As a simple tip, make sure you are adding the file to the correct page before uploading, since this helps keep your workspace neat and easy to navigate. And that's all there is to it. Once you've done it once or twice, uploading files in Notion becomes a very fast part of your workflow. Then